video, I'm going to bake a cake inside a huge dinosaur's egg for my son's birthday. Let's get wild! First, I need to find a dinosaur egg. And since dinosaurs became extinct 66 million years ago, yes, sorry guys, I need to find what's closest to it. Chicken egg, too small. Crocodile egg, nope, don't want to die. Elephant egg, they don't produce eggs. But what is the biggest egg I can find? So like everybody else these days, I asked ChatGPT. Okay, thank you, ChatGPT. I appreciate it. Ostriches, of course. And in fact, ostriches are not so far from being dinosaurs. Did you know ostriches are the descendants of velociraptors? Get rid of the tail, give it a beak and some wings, and ta-da! You got an ostrich! Ostriches can be over 3 meters high and weigh over 200 kilos. They can run up to 70 kilometers an hour. Way more faster than their dino ancestors that could only run up to 40 kilometers an hour. Sorry, Grandpa, you've lost this race. Ostriches can be found all over the world, but especially in Africa. They can also be domesticated on farms. Actually, that's how I got this egg. Look at our beautiful egg. Here are some fun facts about ostrich eggs. Fun fact number 1. You can actually stand on an ostrich egg. Fun fact number 2. Ostrich eggs are hard as a rock. Okay, well, not that rock. So how am I going to crack it? I think I have my own idea. Ooh, that's loud. I had to use a whole saw to open this egg. For this recipe, I'm going to bake a cake inside the egg. And we're even going to make the nest. I know it sounds crazy, but the egg is massive. Fun fact number 3. One ostrich egg can contain over 25 basic chicken eggs. So we've got more than enough room to bake a cake inside that shell. Look at that. The membrane's still intact. Ostrich eggs are super rich, richer than chicken eggs. That's why they're perfect for pastry. The kids are going to love it. I pour the egg white in a bowl. To the yolk, I add flour, salt, baking powder, sugar, milk, some oil, and a good mix. I pour the cake batter in 2 different pitchers, put green food coloring in one, mix it again, and our cake preparation is done. And now we're going to clean our egg. Every ostrich egg has a cuticle. It's what keeps the egg safe and keeps all the harmful bacteria outside of it. But today, to make sure it's safe to eat, we're using white vinegar to clean our egg. How cool is that? Gonna place it right here, blow it dry. And we're just going to marble our 2 batters together. Now we're gonna take our egg and go into the oven. Putting an egg in the oven feels like I'm giving birth to a dragon. Dracarys. We still have some egg whites left over, guys. We could make a bunch of different things with it, but why not make a cake to hold our egg cake, like a nest cake? Follow me, I'll show you how it's done. You got our cake mix here, and if you want this recipe, check it out at chefclub.tv. Put a small bowl upside down in a larger bowl for the nest shape. Make sure your mixing bowl is oven safe. Pour your cake mix delicately in it and right into the oven. Guys, look what grew inside my oven! A dinosaur! Oh, I'm so in love with this result. A birthday cake without a drink? That's not happening in my kitchen. For the mocktail, let's make a lava drink. And for even more fun, how about dinosaur fossils inside ice cubes? Just wait and see how it's done. For the ice cube, put a dino toy inside a balloon and fill it with tap water. Close it tightly, and here you have your amazing dino fossil. You can use any kind of water to fill your balloons. I'm using tap water, but in tap water, there's usually minerals, and that's going to cause your ice to be cloudy. The secret to my crystal clear ice cubes: demineralized water. It's like normal water, but without calcium, magnesium, potassium, sodium, and fluoride. Take your dinosaur and put it right inside. Fill it with some demineralized water. Tight. Place it into a bowl and add my other 2 balloons. I already went ahead and made some balloons I already froze. Guys, look how cool these look. Incredible. They look like real fossils. Everybody knows an asteroid blew the dinosaurs away, but it did not take a second. The smoke and ashes caused by the crash brought the world into pure darkness. It changed the climate, leading to what we call the Ice Age. A paleontology fantasy would be to find an intact dinosaur fossilized in its ice shell in order to clone them. How sick would that be? Share your thoughts in the comment section below. The lava Marktail is simple yet delicious. Pour some orange juice, lemonade, some grenadine syrup, and that's it. Look at this spread. Isn't this incredible? We made an incredible cake out of an ostrich egg sitting in another cake with a dinosaur coming out of it. Happy birthday to all the Dino fans out there, and don't forget to subscribe to Chef Club.